I'm not in people's business like that. But this business, I'ma be in.
Oh. Yeah.
That don't smell right. Like something smells a little fishy around here.
Yes. It's me again. Yeah. And I'm back.
What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's your girl Mara More. And if you want more, I'll give you more. So I know that I have been away for a little bit. I'm back, okay? Cheers. Ting. Celebration. Celebration. Let's celebrate. This is like my more like up-to-date makeup routine. So I wouldn't really do so much of this because we have to wear a mask. But even like a low-key glam. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Let's get started. If you see me like keep doing this all the time, because like when you have braids in or like a nice little weave going on and you put it up in a ponytail, you just gotta flick it, flick it, flick it, flick it. Let's get started. So I've already went straight ahead and just filled in my brows and whatnot, and my face is already moisturized and primed. So now let's go in with some foundation. I feel like recently like I haven't really been wearing that much foundation, so like when I'm at work I don't really wear that much foundation. I probably just have my brows and some lashes on and I'll call it a day. So we're going to be going in with the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation, and this is in a chocolate. Now this isn't my shade because I'm either too light for a particular foundation or I'm too dark. In this case, we are just going to mix it in. So I'm just going to go in with my blending brush here. And as you can see, as I blend that out, it has a very orange undertone. But that is okay because what we're going to be doing is making sure it goes on the neck, and you can see my chest, so it's going on the chest as well. We're just gonna make sure we blend all of that in. Highlight and contour. Just gonna go in firstly with the Estee Lauder Double Wear Flawless Concealer in New Extra Deep. So just on the corner here, and then just right here, just on the corner of your eye, and elongate it. So everything is blending upwards. Everything else is more or less the same. And just under your natural contour line. So next for contour, I'm just gonna go in with my Vital lipstick, and this is in Truffle Cream. That's a contour line there for you. And just on the bridge of the nose. I think now I'm just gonna go in with the Beauty Blender, just so it's easier to work with. Portia. Girl, what are you doing? You know what? I'm not in people's business. I'm not in people's business like that. But this business, I'ma be in. You were in the girl's house.
Okay, so this is Talon. Nice to meet you. We brought a bottle, and this is my sister. Nice to meet you.
Portia, like you're engaged. They're not even like properly divorced yet. They're not officially divorced, so it's still like her husband, ex-husband, separation, situationship. Like, who needs enemies when you have friends like that? Like, I would feel some type of way like if I invited you into my home.
We may just have to renew our vows, ring upgrade.
You know, love it. Usual. Love it. Oh, yes!
It made you feel comfortable, introduce you to my husband, right? And we're going through a little situation, and I find out that you're now engaged to my no, that wouldn't fly. I know you guys might think I'm crazy. I'm just gonna use a little bit of this e.l.f. concealer, okay? And this is in Tan Sand. I'm just gonna use a little bit just to brighten up my inner corner of my eye. Just a little bit. That's it. When I say I was baffled, I was taken aback. I said, not Portia. What's Portia doing with this man? She clearly has a type. I shall say no more. This is what I'm saying about friends, because I don't have that many friends. And if I see someone with too many friends, I'm just like, I have to give you the side eye.
That's suspicious. That's weird.
Cause I'm just like, why you got so many friends? That don't smell right. Like something smells a little fishy around here. Your so-called friend could be in the corner hoping, wishing for your downfall. You can't trust them, you can't trust them, you can't trust them. I'm just gonna go on with the lauder Mercier translucent powder and just set everywhere we have, you know, done that nice highlight, you know. So it's not fully blended out properly, but as you can see, this side is baked and this side is not. You can literally see like my highlight, my natural highlight coming through there. I like to just go over my brows a little bit because I know like my brows do get a little bit oily. My whole face gets oily, okay? I'm gonna go in with is this Revolution eyeshadow palette in Velvet Rose. We're gonna go with that nice brown shade there. That's a really nice contour if you ask me. Okay, so next is the eyes. We're just gonna keep it very simple, no cut crease, none of that. Okay, I think I might just go with the same palette. I think I might go with this nice, I don't know what the color is gonna look like on camera, but it's like this type of like dark burgundy shade. We're just gonna put that on our crease. That's really cute. That's really nice and pigmented if you ask me. So for the inner parts of the eye, I think I might go with like a nice gold maybe. That one, I'm not sure. Let's try it. We'll never know unless we try. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. Do I want to do a wing? That's the question. Do I want to do a wing? No, we're not going to do a wing. We're going to wing it today. I'm just going to go in with some mascara actually. And we are going to be using the Intense Mascara by Technic. No one can tell me nothing because I got lashes with mascara. So let me quickly apply these lashes and I'll be right back. So lashes are now on. Let's do some blush. Let's do some blush, blushy, blush. Let's do some blush, blushy, blush. Let's do some blush. So we're gonna go with the Technic Matte Mega Blush. I feel like I'm gonna put the pictures down here because I don't know their names, but these two down here, they just need to break up. He is clearly a narcissist. He talks in circles.
Oh yeah.
Like it's either his way or the highway. She is just too gorgeous to be dealing with his mess, with his bald head itself.
Oh yeah.
And with these two now, I understand both of their perspectives. Hear me out. Hear me out. She wants to be with someone who, I mean, like from the beginning, she said that, you know, he was doing this for her, doing that for her. Cool. And then it kind of just like simmered down. She expects that all the time, which she is in her right to feel that way.
When I was younger, my dad, even till this day, like he treats me like a princess, and that's my expectation of a man.
But I understand his perspective as well, because it's not every day you're gonna be getting gifts. It's not every day you're gonna be going out.
I'm looking to buy a house. I've got a project in Ghana I'm obviously sorting out. Obviously got a new project I'm even doing, a health retreat as well, which obviously costs a lot of money. And I just feel like Deborah needs to actually understand money, understand the value of money and the time that needs to be put into that.
Like she just wants to be treated like a queen. I get that. But you need to understand that like life is life. Hardships do happen. Just take care of yourself. Period. Maybe she just wants, there are couples like that who, you know, the man, he literally does everything and he caters to the wife, and you know, she doesn't have to do anything. She just has to look pretty and live life. But what I don't get is why she hasn't met his family yet, and the excuse that he's given is because, oh, she's loud.
Red flag.
That doesn't make sense to me, because okay, yeah, she's loud, but you're telling me you don't know her well enough to understand that she will conduct herself the certain and proper way in front of your family after a year.
Red flag.
Yeah, and he's told his family that he's seeing someone. No, you guys have been together for a year. You guys are together. And she hasn't met your family. That's a problem. But these two here, they definitely need to break up, because she's way too good for him. Like, I feel like he is literally like still a child.
Oh. Yeah.
Like, I don't know. I feel like he just gives me like narcissist vibes. I don't like it. So what we're gonna go with next is the Revolution Glow matte bronzer, and this is just gonna kind of give me, like, I didn't even need to put on blush, but this is just kind of gonna wake me up a little bit. And I feel like he talks down to her a little bit. Like, if you catch it, the little things, I feel like he literally talks down to her, but she wants to be with him. She says she wants to marry him, this, that, and the third. Good luck with that, sis. Good luck with that. So I'm just gonna outline my lips with this Beauty Forever lip liner, and this is in chocolate. Now I'm just gonna go in with the iconic Nude Revolution lipstick, and this is an inclination. Now you could just like leave it like this, but I'm gonna add the gloss as you guys know. I think I look cute. So this is the finished look. All I did was just add some hoops. I feel like this is giving me like Poetic Justice vibes. Shout out Janet Jackson. I'm beautiful. I'm beautiful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video.